These muffins have a problem. Because once you make them, you never buy them at the supermarket again. Today on Golosolandia, we're making traditional magdalenas, the kind that smell like breakfast at grandma's house, and they always rise if you do one thing right.
The first time I made muffins, they were only halfway decent.
I don't even know how, but the second time they came out flat like a pancake. And of course, at home they said those were some sad little cakes.
If you want, you can pause the video now and calmly write down the ingredients we're going to use.
Let's get started.
With eggs and
Sugar.
So, a large bowl, 3 eggs and 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and we land.
Pay attention to the first secret. You have to beat it until it changes color. It will get much lighter. And also, the volume of the mixture will increase. It will double, almost triple.
Once you turn on the machine, you'll notice how it starts to thicken and gradually changing in color, ending up with this texture. White, super foamy. And as you can see, the volume has increased a lot.
We add oil, little by little.
Without stopping whisking, it will blend in very quickly. You do it like this, almost in a thin stream. And in a matter of seconds, it's all in. You can use your favorite oil. The tastier it is, the better they turn out.
And we add the milk, little by little.
We do it just like with the oil, without stopping whisking. About 180 ml of milk, almost a cup, and the same amount of oil. A few turns, and you'll have it perfectly mixed.
Here, things are already starting to smell like breakfast.
And that's the one we haven't added yet, the aromatic touch, which comes from the peel of a lemon. Grate only the yellow part. The white part is bitter.
I don't compromise on lemon zest. It's not optional. That's what really makes it smell like childhood.
Mix it quickly so everything gets distributed. Now we'll mix in 2 cups of wheat flour. That's 250 grams, along with a tablespoon or a packet. That is about 16 grams of baking powder. Also, a pinch of salt. As I was saying, mix it very well, so that all these ingredients are evenly distributed. And once you notice that everything is well combined, we're gonna take it and mix it with the whipped egg mixture we made first, the white and foamy one.
And now comes the delicate moment.
First, a few turns with the machine off, so the dry ingredients get moistened and don't fly out. And then a few turns with the machine already on, so everything mixes together easily.
If it ends up lumpy, you ruin it. Almost nobody does this step, and then they wonder why they don't rise or turn out fluffy.
Cover it and let it chill in the fridge for at least half an hour, or even up to an hour. Now, let's remove the lid and fill the cupcake liners with this batter. Look at that amazing texture. We'll just fill them with a spoonful. If you have one of those ice cream scoops, 1 scoop is perfect.
Don't fill it to the top, or there won't be room for it to rise and it'll spill out.
Fill each of the cups, and then you can give them an extra touch by putting a little bit of sugar in the center of each one.
This little touch of sugar on top might seem silly.
But it gives you that little crunch.
That little crunch is something you really appreciate. Nice touch.
And we're going to compare the 3 most common types of cupcake liners. The The first one is paper. You already saw it. This one is made entirely of silicone, just like that, without paper or anything. And this one, which looks like paper, but is reusable. Which do you think will turn out better? Oven preheated to 200 degrees Celsius, about 395 Fahrenheit, with heat from both top up and bottom. We place it on the lower rack of the oven, and I'm going to put everything here. The tray ones with liners, the silicone liners, and the ones that look like paper liners. Let's see which ones turn out better. They'll need 10 to 15 minutes ready.
Now comes the important detail.
Don't even...
Think about opening the oven. Don't touch it even if you're curious.
No, they're already rising!
Now we wait until they're golden brown.
Let's see them. We'll take them out of the oven, and before enjoying them, I recommend you let them rest, at least until they're warm. That said, there's a little trick to it. Lay a paper towel on top so they cool down gradually. Once they're warm or cool, you can enjoy them. And here, I'm going to show you the 3 types so that you, and only you, can choose which one turns out best. Which mold will be the winner. Look at how shiny this one is. Honestly, they turn out amazing. Let me bring all 3 closer. And I hope you'll tell me your honest opinion in the comments. Look, this one also comes out of the mold easily. Come on! On the left, the classic liners. On the right, the modern liners. And in the middle, the one baked directly in a silicone mold. This
is not normal. It's classic neighborhood bakery quality.
Very little work, and a super tray of homemade muffins prepared at home. Ready to be devoured.
I'll tell you in advance, they disappear in just one day. I've already warned you.
So I don't want any complaints later.
If you want traditional recipes, check out the channel, subscribe, and tell me, what recipe do you want me to make for you? And let me know if you are
more into using molds.
The traditional paper ones, or the same kind in silicone? Or just a silicone mold that already comes with the holes inside? I hope you'll tell me about it. And don't leave without writing in the comments which recipe your grandmother used to make.